Hello everyone! In this video I'll show you how to fix weather widgets not working on iPhone. The weather widget was only available in the Today view earlier. With iOS 14, you can add it to your iPhone home screen and see the weather information with just a glance. However, this widget isn't working for many users after updating their device to iOS 16 or newer version. It fails to refresh the temperature or shows no data. For some, the location displays only Cupertino. Let's fix this issue. 1. Ensure location access. The primary step is to ensure the iPhone weather app has access to your location. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Privacy. Tap Location Services, ensure that Location Services is enabled. Next, scroll down and tap Weather. Tap while using the app or widgets. You may also enable the toggle for precise location. 2. Check internet connectivity. This goes without saying that to update weather information, your iPhone must have working internet connectivity. Let's perform a quick check to ensure everything is all right on this front. Open Settings and tap Wi-Fi. Make sure you are connected to a network. Or tap Cellular and make sure it is enabled. Further, scroll down and ensure that under Cellular Data, the toggle for weather is green. Now, open Safari and try to visit a website. If it loads, things are perfect. The weather app and the widget should have no trouble fetching fresh data. 3. Manually select the location in the weather widget. On the home screen, long press the weather widget and tap Edit Widget. Tap Location instead of My Location. Manually type and select your desired location. 4. Delete the saved location. Open the weather app and tap the stack icon at the bottom right. You will see the saved locations. Swipe right to left on one and tap Delete. Repeat this for all saved entries. 5. Uninstall and reinstall the Weather app. Though Weather is an inbuilt Apple app, you can uninstall and reinstall it to fix things. Then go to App Store and install the app again. Hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.